Good morning, student. I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Subject Agriculture Science and Technology. In this subject, already we started chapter number first, a traditional crop. And in this chapter, already we covered uh, cereal crops, wheat, rice. Then, in case of oilseed crop, groundnut also. Now, we will discuss regarding the some pulses crop. In your syllabus, only two pulses crop are included. In that, first one is a soybean and second one is a gram. Okay, gram means chana or harbara. Now see, first one is a soybean. Botanical description of soybean. In that, the botanical name of soybean is a Glycine max. Family Leguminosae, origin Asia or China. Okay, this will be asked in objective also, botanical name, origin and family. Then in case of economic use, if you have asked, write down the economic importance and economic uses, then you can write 4 or 5 points which are given below. In that first one, it is an important oil seed as well as pulse crop. Okay, oil seed, why? Because it is used to help the extract the edible oil, so that it is one of the oil seed crop, important oil seed crop, as well as pulse crop. It contains 20% oil. Also, it is a rich in protein. It contains nearly about 41% protein. Sometime both this point will be asked in objective. What are the oil percentage and what are the protein percentage in soybean crop? Then soybean is also used to making soaps, paints and plastics, etc. It is also used to manufacture green beans, flour cocoa, then cooking oil and vegetable milks. Okay, also used to making the soya sauce, then soya paneer, etc. Okay, after soaking of soybean seed, then it crush and extract the soybean milk, and the soybean milk is used to making paneer and other byproducts. Then, being leguminous crop, it helps in fixation of atmospheric nitrogens, so that most of the soybean crop taken as an intercrop or a mixed crop with alternate crop. Then next part, preparatory tillage or land preparation. In land preparation, some points are necessary. For soybean crop, it require well pulverized and fertile soil, and for that, one deep plowing and 2 to 3 crisscross-wise harrowing is necessary, and this harrowing should be done with the help of Norwegian harrow. Norwegian harrow, it is one of the instrument which used to help to pulverize the soil. Then add well rotted organic manure. This organic manure should be free from weed seed and other dead materials. And this organic manure should be added before last harrowing. This is all about preparatory tillage. Also, if land is not level, then you can level with the help of leveler or planker. Collect the stones, stubble or dirt matter from the field and clean the field. This is the all part should be done before the sowing of soybean crop. The next point is ecology. Already you know ecology means soil and climate. These 2 points are most important. See, the first one is the soil. Which type of soil is required for soybean? Okay, this question will be asked. In that first one, it require well drained soil. Then a soil should be good water holding capacity. Crop is sensitive to the water logging. Then optimum pH range is from 6 to 6.5. Okay, that means a mild acidic to up to the neutral pH should be preferred for the soybean crop. Then in case of climate, it is a tropical crop and subtropical crop. That means it grown in both in tropical and subtropical region. Soybean can thrive low and very high temperature. Optimum temperature range for its growth is nearly about 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, and the average annual rainfall is 600 to 1000 mm is necessary. Okay, this is all about the ecology, that means soil and climate. If you have asked write down the ecology of soybean, then you can write both these points, soil and climate. Then the next point, the most important, seed and sowing. That means season, sowing time, sowing method, depth, seed rate and seed treatment. Soybean is mostly grown in a Kharif season in India. The sowing time is June to July. That means earlier monsoon. Sowing methods, drilling, dibbling, these are the two methods. And if you are sown in large scale, then you can use seed drill machine or tractor drawn seed drill machine. Sowing depth, should be 3 to 5 centimeter deep. Then seed rate 65 to 75 kg per hectare. For that, treatment is the most important point here. In that, majorly two types of seed treatment is done in soybean crop. First one is a biofertilizer treatment, second one is a chemical fertilizer treatment. And in case of biofertilizer treatment, you can use rhizobium culture treatment, 250 gram per 10 kg seeds to increase the nitrogen fixation. Okay, 250 gram rhizobium is used for 10 kg of seed. That means for 1 kg it requires 25 gram. Okay, make the slurry of rhizobium, also mix the jaggery in some quantity and sprinkle this slurry on the seeds and rub it slowly and dry in shade. That is the seed treatment of soybean crop. Also, in case of chemicals, thiram and carbendazim, these both are the fungicides in the quantity of 2 gram per kg seeds is necessary to control the seed-borne fungal disease. Then next point is varieties. For soybean, the lots of improved hybrid and introduced varieties. But here in India and Maharashtra, the majorly use some varieties. Bragg, then Clark, Punjab 1, soybean number 4, JS 335, Phule Kalyani, MSCS 57, MSCS 58, MSCS 124, etc. Okay, these are the majorly grown varieties of soybean in Maharashtra and India. Especially this JS 335 is the most important variety in Maharashtra. Then manures and fertilizers. Manures and fertilizers. In case of manures and fertilizers, in case of organic manures, FOM is 15 carts loads per hectare is necessary, and in case of chemical fertilizer dose, 20-25 as to 50 as to 20-40 NPK kg per hectare, and this whole fertilizer dose should be distributed into 2 to 3 split doses. Then irrigation. In Maharashtra, it is grown as a rain-fed kharif crop. That means it is totally dependent upon the rainfall. In case of long dry spell of monsoon, it need 2 irrigations. The total water requirement is varies between 450 to 750 mm. If the scarcity of water, then you can apply the water only at a critical growth stages. And in case of soybean, flowering, pod formation, both are important critical growth stages. Then plant protection. In case of pest, stem borer, pod borer, hairy caterpillar and aphids, these are the major pests of soybean crop. Then harvesting and yield of soybean crop. In that, uh, first it is necessary to judge the sign of maturity of soybean crop. That means how to judge uh, soybean is ready for harvesting. In that, see the sign of maturity. Soybean is mature in 19 to 120 days. It is harvested when the leaves turn yellow and start dropping. At harvesting time, moisture content should be 15 to 17%. Harvesting should be done either by pulling the plant or cutting them ground level. Then threshing is done by beating the produce. The produce is then winnowed, dried and stored. Nowadays, combine harvester is also used for soybean harvesting. If the soybean is in large quantity, then a combine harvester is easy for harvesting. Okay, this is all about the sign of maturity and harvesting of soybean. Then yield of soybean. In case of pure rain-fed crop, the yield of soybean is 10 to 15 quintal per hectare. Mixed crop 3 to 4 quintal per hectare, and irrigated crop 35 to 40 quintal per hectare. Okay, this is the yield of soybean crop. Thank you, student. If you have a problem regarding the soybean crop and package of practices or cultivation of soybean crop, then you can contact me or give comment in comment box. Thank you so much.